It's GV News First. Here in the City of Industry Sheriff Station, doing a follow-up from the last time I was out here. When nobody bothered me, it was all good. They definitely respected our rights last time I was out here. So we get this lady looking at us kind of silly. Got the cam back going on. Puzzled. Got a very puzzled look on her face. More visitors, more visitors.
One blue sweatshirt bicycle, and if they appear 390 on the south end of the platform, no engagement on the other side of their line.
Look at this illegal tent. Everybody got the illegal tent. This car has illegal tint too. Sure, it's one of theirs. No front plate.
Hey, bro, as soon as you make that left, just step by on the right.
How's it going, sir?
Not bad, you?
How are you?
I'm good.
What's got going on?
Just taking some pictures.
Pictures, video,
Video,
school
pictures.
project. What you got?
What's that?
School project, hobby.
I really don't want to answer too many questions. I'm just trying to get some pictures of cars coming in and out, that's all.
You got a business card or anything, boss?
What's that?
You got a business card or anything?
Nope.
No?
No, why would I?
I'm just asking. I don't know what kind of photographer you are.
It's just personal use, that's all.
Personal use?
Yeah,
You
yeah.
have kind of a concern when for personal use.
What's that?
It's kind of a concern when you have personal use inside.
Why would you say that?
You've got personal information. I don't know what you're using it for.
Well, I'm just, like I said, I'm just out here taking photography out in public.
Okay.
Shouldn't be a problem.
No. You're out in public. There's a lot of public areas around here.
Yeah, but my concern is taking pictures of you guys.
Okay. Cool.
Nothing personal. I'm not here to cause harm to anybody, you know, just taking pictures.
Okay. Cool.
That's about it.
Videotaping cars and all that personal stuff, it's a little private. So if you want to go somewhere else, you better.
I don't have to.
Okay, cool. You have a business card or anything?
I don't. I already answered that.
Okay.
I don't want to answer any more questions. It seems like you're trying to fish to try to see if I got something that,
You're not
you know,
detained or nothing?
like if
You're
I'm
free
trying
to
to,
leave.
you know, you're acting like I'm doing something wrong, but
You're free to leave. You want to leave,
Yeah.
you can go.
if I'm free to leave, I'm free to stay as well.
Okay, perfect. We'll stand by here too.
Thank you,
Stay
sir.
off the street, sir.
Yeah, for sure.
Okay?
Yeah, I'm not trying to cause any disturbance.
Yeah, for your safety, sir.
You guys have a good day.
You too, sir.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You guys don't have anything better to do, huh?
No, we're just making sure everything's safe out here too.
Yeah, for sure. You guys got any interesting calls tonight or what?
Not really.
No?
I can buy some more. Alright, sir, you want to do it now?
Thank you. They were pretty cool for the most part. Still wanted to ID me, even though they have no right to do so. I'm just out in public taking pictures and let him know that. They should both roll away. There it is, City of Industry. They respect the right to film. And definitely wanted more information from me, but I didn't give it. Called. These guys really don't like me out here today. Let's see what this guy has to say.
Walking back.
I'm still here. So these guys are still here. I guess they really want to figure out what the hell I'm really doing here. It's nice of them. Nice of them to be so concerned. These guys just standing around wasting time, worrying about what I'm doing when they should be out there looking for crime to stop. Why would they be so concerned about me? I was just wondering because you guys are parked in the red. You know. Yeah, but what's the emergency? You have your emergency lights on because you're having lunch? All right, right on. I'm still here at the sheriff's station. This guy's over here just stalking me now. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get out of here safely. I'm sure they're going to follow me. I'm sure they have a couple other cars posted.
Before handle, sorry for answering that way, Able 39490 would have informant's brother, informant her brother is damaging the house, especially family members, possibly left side 50. Now unconscious and breathing. Peg is 172. And it has been upgraded to a quick response. There is suffering in 10.3 and one of us, 39490.
So it looks like they're hot on my tail. They're not going to let me go today. They're definitely not going to let me go today. Still following me, huh? Come on, man, go get some crime. Go do something that matters. Later, bro. Be safe. Yeah, it's my friend. Fucking guy. This is the guy that was posted waiting for me. He's on my tail.